both of these clips from the 3rd of July. So because I got home last night, I was tired as hell because I got up way earlier than I usually do. I had 3 hours of sleep. So I came home about 11, passed out, got up at 12. So I slept for 13 hours. But I had a good time. Went to a lake, saw some fireworks. They're way better in person, the fireworks that we bought, than, you know, sitting miles away from the actual fireworks tonight. So I had a good 4th of July, despite my thoughts. I would have been really disappointed if I had not went to the thing, but I did have a good 4th of July. Just got done watching 3 episodes of Law and Order because I used to be obsessed. Netflix took off all of 1 through 7 till when I was halfway through season 7, and just took me a long time before I knew I was on Hulu. I already got out of it, so I'm getting back into it. I'm on season 8, episode 16. Moving on. So these clips, half of them are going to be vertical. Sorry about that. I realized like halfway through that I was like, I'm going to make a video of this, and they're vertical because I took them on Snapchat. I did take them on Snapchat because I wanted a cool Snapchat story, and since I film on both my phone, I film only on my phone, then, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. There's no names of any of the things or anything like that. This is like zero professional. This is just showing fireworks. One of them hit a power line, and you can see a 14-year-old running, and it's hilarious, and I just can't stop watching it because it's so hilarious to me. I didn't even have time to react. I was just filming. I'm glad I filmed it. So yeah, see, I gotta get this up. I'm gonna upload it tonight, I hope. Wish me luck. Woo! Normal. Devin, watch out.
What?
No.
It's a kind of video to explain to you. Here's a big one.
I ain't got nothing out of the back of the Jeep. All I got is off the
down there in soapy, wet, cold.
Dylan was here, wasn't he?
Yeah, obviously, I mean, not obviously, but that wasn't all that was shot up last night, and, because there were whistlers, and I can't not fucking stand whistlers. They irritate me so bad and give me a headache. It's the worst. For me, at least. Because of my sensory processing. I mean, obviously there are other people who don't have sensory processing that find them annoying, but I think that might be my main reason that I find them annoying. So obviously, none of them are in this video, except for one that's still, like, shot, like, little big explosions in the sky. Besides that, the other one's just, I covered my ears. I couldn't film it, so I couldn't edit it either, even if I did film it. I filmed one, and I couldn't even edit it without feeling like I was about to die. So, there's that. But, yeah. Hope you enjoyed.